Hi, welcome back to my channel. Yes, we're going back into the kitchen. Today we'll be doing an oven fried catfish. Not a family fish. We are usually snapper people. We usually have snapper. Well, we always have snapper. Let's rephrase that. So, catfish is new. Um, hmm. Let's go into the kitchen, guys, and do some changing with the catfish. Okay, guys, I need egg whites for the butter for the fish with the mustard. So I'm going to separate the eggs. The yolk go in here, the white go in here. The garbage goes somewhere else. Oh, gotcha. Quarter cup. Yeah, that should be good. And then I need cornmeal. Guys, this is all new to me. I've never do this mixture before. This is my first time doing this mixture. I'm gonna use the quarter cup. So I'm gonna use half cup of cornmeal. That should be good. We don't have a lot of fish. I'll do another one of it. So the breadcrumbs and the breadcrumbs and the cornmeal, I use 3/4 of a cup. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. Yes, guys, we're still seasoning as we go along. Now let's do this again. Close your ears, guys. Hey, look at that. Yes, yes, yes. All right, so I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna spread it out on this tray so that we can do the fish and then put it in the egg. I lost my words. In the egg wash, and then put it on the baking sheet and pop it in the oven. Be right back. Okay, put this aside, and then I have the mustard and the egg white, and we'll start the process. Okay, guys, this is my setup. This is the egg white with the mustard, and I put a little bit of black pepper in it. And then this is the breadcrumbs, the panko, cornmeal, and then we're gonna have the fish up here. Let's get the fish. Okay, guys, I have the fish. I season it with a little bit of salt, a little bit of black pepper, and some lemon juice. I'm gonna leave the ingredients and the instructions in the description below. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe, tap that bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Okay guys, I know these guys from the pantry won't ever forget this catfish. Oh, this oven fried catfish. Yes, they won't ever forget this one. I never had catfish before, to be honest. So this is gonna be quite interesting. Okay guys, just remember if you and just use the regular breadcrumbs and the cornmeal. So when my sister found this recipe, I was like, ah, alright, let's try that. She always come up with recipes. The only problem with that, she's not gonna cook it. But I wish if she was here, actually here, to really, and Julie here, so she could taste this. I don't know if she's gonna eat the fish there. I don't think she's gonna eat the fish. This is catfish. Okay guys, don't forget to subscribe, tap that bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Oh guys, this fish is already coming out looking nice right here. I could imagine the crisp that's gonna be happening with the cornmeal and the panko. Oh my god, that crisp. Oh, it's gonna be really the oven fried crisp of that fish, Lord. So now that we're finished, the oven is preheating and we'll pop this in the oven. Let me clean this up guys and we'll be right back. Okay guys, the fish is done. I didn't put the light on. Look at that guys. Guys see? Ow, 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 ow. So I'm gonna put them up here. Look at that. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Come on, make room, make room. Everybody need to get in there. Be nice, be nice. Ooh, no, 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 no. If you want to be like that. Okay. Ow, ow. Okay guys, this is the fish. I'll let it cool off a little bit. Yes. Hi, thanks for watching. Have a blessed day. Don't forget to subscribe, tap that bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And guys, stay safe. And thanks to all first responders out there. Thank you. Have a blessed day.